So I'm going to like walk you through the quickest way on how to do this. So I'm just gonna take my bases. Because I'm doing the tutorial on video and I don't want anything to lag, I'm just gonna delete all of these screenshots so I can just load 83 at once. Okay, so this is what Dicom does. You go to File, Scripts, load multiple Dicom files, and then wherever you keep the Dicom folder, I'm gonna click on one because that's the folder I want to open, and lo and behold, it's gonna load the caps. And they're all in they're all untouched because Dicom is actually like x-ray files, right? So they don't like to compress or do anything with that. That's why there's no compression in Dicom. So yeah, this is the these are the screen caps. They're 4K, as you can see, and I'm just gonna clip them down, and then I'm going to do height of 45. Now I'm gonna give you this action because you're gonna need it, because it processes all the images and turns it into your video timeline, which you're gonna need. Otherwise, you know, you're not gonna be able to do your GIF. Okay, so now we have the GIF. It's the height is sized up. Now we're gonna do width 540, and now you're gonna see everything loaded. You see, it automatically does it for you. You don't have to do anything. You just click 2 buttons so far. Okay, then I just like to center my GIFs because, you know, centering is important. And then I go here, I do another transform. Again, this is, you don't have to do this. Then I'm gonna just throw on a random sharpening on it, sharpen however you please, and that's it. That's it. And then I usually go to Let's Save. I usually go to Let's Save, which is right here, and I click on that, and this is going to create all the layers and fix the speed so it saves it properly. It's doing it. The only reason my computer's a lot faster, the only reason it's taking so long is because I have the recording going, and it's recording on 4K. Okay, sorry. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Dicom file. I'm going to show you where my Dicom file is because it does involve a little bit of coding, but it's easy. I'm going to send you the file and you're going to input it. So basically, right, hold on, let me see. So this is my PC. In my Windows, I'm gonna go to Program Files, Adobe Photoshop 2026. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm gonna click on Presets. Then I'm going to click on Scripts, right? And here are all the scripts that are already loaded into your Photoshop. All of these are code. You see? This is a random code. Oh, okay, so all right. So now we're gonna go to Load Dicom. This is my code, and I pretty much edited it so I can load PNGs. So I'm going to show you where that place is if you just need to see it via coding. This area right here. This area right here tells it to load PNGs. That's it. That's it. There's nothing else you need to do. And of course this area right here for JPEGs, and you don't need JPEGs. So anyway, that's it. As long as you have this built into it, the load Dicom script, your thing is gonna work out. That's it. And yeah, here's the saved GIF. See how it did it in layers, and the speed is correct. It's at 0.05. There you go. That's it.